Hello, I'm Mike from musicradiocreative.com. I wanted to give you a very simple tip on how to get 2 for the price of 1 from any sound effect in your production library. Take a listen to this one. Lots going on there, very stereo around the ears. Well, in one simple click, by going into the Edit menu, Extract Channels to Mono Files, you can create a left and a right version of your effect. For instance, this is the right-hand side. And this is the left-hand side. And now you have a choice of 2 different sound effects from one single effect. For more tips just like this one, subscribe to my channel now.